guys, welcome to Maxie's Kitchen. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're starting with our streusel, so that's the crumbly topping on top of the muffin. I just added my sugar to my flour and I'm now crumbling up the butter into the sugar and flour mixture. So you want to get something like this. And you just want to crumble it up, and that's it for the streusel topping. So we're going to set that aside and start making the cake batter, the muffin batter I mean. I do apologize, my table is a little bit shaky, but I promise I'm working on it. So to my flour, I've added some baking powder and some salt, and I'm mixing it up, and I'm going to set that aside. So I'm using fresh blueberries, but you can use frozen blueberries. And I've just added 3 teaspoons of the dry mixture to this to the blueberries in the bowl. And I've just mixed that up and I've set that aside. So that's to make sure that the blueberries don't sink when we're baking our muffins. In another bowl, I'm just mixing all my wet ingredients together. So I used sour cream, but you can use Greek yogurt. It's a very good alternative if you don't have sour cream. So my eggs, my lemon juice, my oil, my melted butter, including the sugar, everything goes here. I know you can tell I wasn't zesting the lemons, and that's because I didn't want the table to shake, but I actually zested it off camera, so please do it. So I'm giving that a good whisk. And now we're going to combine the wet and the dry ingredients. So you can add your wet to your dry or your dry to your wet. Any way would work. Just make sure you're not mixing it with a whisk because you don't want to overmix your muffin batter. So I used this spatula to mix everything up, and I'm adding my coated blueberries to the batter, and I'm just adding all of the flour in that bowl as well. So I mixed it, and now I'm going to just use an ice cream scoop to scoop the butter into my muffin tins. So I lined the tins with cupcake liners or muffin liners, and I'm going to use my ice cream scoop to scoop the muffin butter, and actually put them in the cupcake liners. Now you want to make sure that the cupcake liners are actually very full, and that you try and get some blueberries into each and every muffin. So yeah, I've done that, and now I'm going to put the streusel on half of the muffin. So I didn't do it for all 12, I just did it for 6 of them. Now when you're baking your muffins, make sure you put some water in a ramekin and put it in the oven. It helps regulate the temperature. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.